Hi everybody, this is Tina, and I'm here with Twitchie Tuesday. Forgot to put Tuesday on my cover. This is hosted by Nicole Relax Cut and Glue. And every Tuesday she does an upload video of her pages. Well, I may do that where you see me making it, but for right now I'm just doing it. But this week, and I do both sides, and she does one side, and then that's, it's my book, so I'm just gonna do it the way I like to do it. So here it is, and it's probably different than definitely Nicole's. So a few years ago at St. Vincent de Paul, I came across this for $3.24. I actually bought three. There were two were the same, but it is full of stickers of Lisa Frank. This is the other size that book was that I got. See the difference? And I kind of giggled to myself because I can remember when I was a teenager, Lisa Frank was really big. She still is, but I was that child that didn't have the money to afford Lisa Frank stickers and stuff like that. All that fancy. I was brought up by a single parent and a grandfather that was disabled. So if I wanted something like this, I had to save. So finding this stuff like this. I mean, look at this. Riley likes these. I let Riley use some. I should do a Lisa Frank journal. Because also what's in this one behind us are all these beautiful sheets. Oh, and I got some little ones also. So also in this are just these beautiful little layout, like poster size that you can put the giant stickers on. I don't want to rip them out, but you get the idea. I mean, it's loaded, just like plain, like this one. And then you got the shiny ones. So cool. I mean, you get what I'm saying. So I don't know what I've been sitting on this. I bet you 2-3 years now. I know I got it before I moved here into my new house, so it's been a while. But so when I decided to do the Twitchies for this week, I decided to do Lisa Frank. I got all these cute little stickers. Let's do some Lisa Frank ones. Then this plastic heart, it was decorated. I still have that. It's just I don't know where I put it. All right, so here it is. I decided my washi tape. To fix my washi tape. Found my thin washi tape. Yeah, now it's coming off. It's so old, my washi tape, because I rarely use it. I'll have to fix that with glue. So on this side, it was just those little singular stickers from these. I wanted to get them used up best possible. That's what's on this side. I just kind of did a little. And the paper is Dana Weekly. Then on this side I got just some random Lisa Frank stickers as well. You got the little kitty cat, little unicorn, an owl, bears, fairies, a little girl zooming in a car, aliens, owls. I just love her stickers. I just love her stuff. So we'll just start on this side and we'll go all the way across. Horses, sandal with a cat in, whales, kitty cats, yeah, turtles, little mouse, mice, mouse. So that is my Twitchy Tuesday for this week. Thought I'd just share it with you guys. And I don't know if I'll do both sides every time, but we'll see. So I'll see y'all next week. Thanks for watching, everybody. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.